Just leave it down there with that. Just leave the whole thing.
Well, it won't
Well, it's
sit there.
trying to lift
Just
it up.
undo
Oh.
it. Yeah, because it's not going to sit on it.
I think Q said he could make them all work from the conduit with a 3 foot and like a 8 foot. Steven? So those would be like a 3 foot and an 8 foot length for that one.
Okay.
Well, the other one survived. We know the welding cable's going to survive. That's bigger.
Yeah, we just wanted to have some
That's
fun.
bigger and beefier than the little one.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the welding cable sees this kind of stuff all the time, and our understanding is that normal welding cable just people go through it left and right, and when they
It's
start
got a
using
silicone
ours,
jacket and it just goes right through it. Yeah.
and when they use ours, they don't go through it like that.
Yeah.
It holds up really well.
You're missing all the fun.
Yeah, I think it was some rough rack.
Setting stuff on fire.
Spray with some brake clean.
No, we're trying to be like reasonable.
Spray with some brake clean. Dip it in the grease belt. Here, you want to?
We did that.
That's
good enough?
Spray it with brake clean.
No, we laid that orange bottom.
No, that's okay.
Still.
You can still do it.
Yeah.
Easy. Yep. But out of the order.
Right.
That's okay.
Okay, the angle is then.
That's cobble.